In this video, we will show you how to add baggage in Cebu Pacific. If you guys want to get started with Cebu Pacific, you can use the links down in the description. First, log into your My Cebu Pacific account. If you don't have an account, please sign up and add your bookings to your account. Then, go to Bookings and Boarding Pass and select the booking you want to add or upgrade baggage for by clicking Manage. In My Booking, click Add or Upgrade Bags under Customize Your Tip. Now, choose if you're adding baggage allowance per flight or for all flights. Here, select the baggage option you need. You may purchase up to 3 pieces of 20 kilograms baggage and add up to 12 kilograms per piece. If you need to remove baggage from your selection, swipe on the baggage piece and click Delete or click the trash bin icon. Previously purchased baggage cannot be removed from your booking. Proceed to payment and review your transaction on the booking summary page. In the end, click Continue to complete the payment process and confirm your booking. You can also use your travel fund to pay for your CEB baggage allowance per flight or for all flights. So that's how to add baggage in Cebu Pacific. Make sure to use the links given down in the descriptions to get started with Cebu Pacific. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.